Let's bust a myth today. The myth that Java is slow. I don't know where people got this idea, but I've heard it repeated so many times. So let's do a fair test. Java vs. Python. Which one is actually slower? We'll do a simple test. We'll have both of them do a numeric loop 10 billion times. In Python, we can do this with a for loop. Really simple. And in Java, we can do it pretty simply as well, just a for loop. And we'll measure how long each one takes. Okay, so we're going to run this and find out. So the Python one finished and took about 2 seconds. Pretty good. Let's see how Java does. And Java finished in 1 second, almost twice as fast. So that myth is busted. I mean, sure, there's some overhead with the JVM and all that stuff, but it doesn't seem to be a huge deal in raw computation like this. So when people say Java is slow, I think they are thinking of a time when maybe they ran some Java code that was really slow. But these days with the JVMs and everything, it's not that big a deal. I mean, there are definitely cases where you want to use C or C++ for speed, but it's not nearly as bad as I think a lot of people make it out to be. So what's the takeaway here? Speed really depends on what you're doing. If you're doing some kind of numerical computation, if you're doing some kind of algorithmic stuff, Java will generally run faster than Python because there's just less overhead. It's a static language. The JVM can optimize it more. With Python, it's an interpreted language. There's more going on at runtime. There's just more overhead there. But if you're doing something like web development or app development, then you might actually want to use Python because the development time is so much faster. You can get your app up and running faster. You can iterate on features faster. So in that case, yeah, maybe you're sacrificing a little bit of speed, but you're gaining a lot of time. So the moral of the story is don't just jump to the conclusion that Java is slow. I mean, it can be, but so can Python. Depends on what you're doing. So I hope that helps. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference. Also, check out our website. We have tons of great programming content there as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.